Hello, friends. So we are going to study a story, the story of Muhammad Din. And before reading this, listening this lecture, my dear students, you go to the previous lecture which I have made in Hindi for you to understand the story, so that you will be able to grasp it in an easy manner. Now, here also I don't use much tough vocabulary. I am not in the habit of that also. It is really easy English for you and everyone, for me also. So I don't think that you will find it difficult here. We are starting the text, and this story starts with a quotation, that is, who is the happy man? He that sees in his own house at home little children crowned with dust, leaping and falling and crying. Muni Chandra. And this quotation has been translated by Professor Peterson. See, students, this quotation gives the immense pleasure when I read it. Seriously, I try to find its meaning. I try to uh, find the gist or the message what is given through this text. Who is happy? Who that see in his own house at home. To be at home means to be in pleasure, to be in rest, to be in peaceful mental position, to be in normal life, happy life. So कौन खुश है जो व्यक्ति अपने घर पर घर को महसूस करता है. लिटिल चिल्ड्रन क्राउन विथ डस्ट. आंगन में घर में छोटे बच्चे खेल रहे हैं, रेत मिट्टी में सन रहे हैं, अच्छे से खुशी खुशी बच्चे रह रहे हैं, कूद रहे हैं, और अ, बच्चों की जो अटखेलियां हैं, बच्चों के जो रोना या हर तरह की जो गतिविधियां बच्चों की वो कर रहे हैं. सो पर्सन हु हैज फैमिली, who has kids, who has a wife, who is fulfilling his responsibilities, who is watching his children growing in his presence, is a happy man. That is the meaning of this story. And now we go to the text there. The polo ball was an old scared chipped. The polo ball, which is made of cloth, and it is there where it stood on the mantelpiece among the pipe stems which Imam Din Khidmatgar was cleaning for me. Imam Din Khidmatgar, he is a servant. He is working at the place of the Britishers. And he asked him, does the heaven born want this ball? Said Imam Din, definitely. The heaven born said no particular story. But of what was use of a polo ball to Khidmatgar? So Khidmatgar says that, uh, do you need sir this one? I mean that ball was scared, cheap, and बहुत पुरानी और फटी सी और थी. So no, no, I don't need this one. And why do you need? Then that Khidmatgar, Imam Din Khidmatgar, that is the name of the servant. He says, by your honors, where I have a little son, and he has seen this ball, and desires to play with it. I don't want it for myself. Then he says that this small ball, which is there, my son, Imam Din, has seen this, and he wants to possess it so that he can play. And hearing these words, hearing this request, the British man gives this ball to Imam Din, and there we see that there followed a hurricane of joy, fell squares, a petrol of small feet, and thud 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 was the ball rolling along the ground. Then that ball was given to a small boy by his father, who was standing there in the veranda, and he was so happy getting this ball. That boy. And now the playing of that ball can be seen there. The sound of its falling and collecting and all this can be seen at that place. And next day, Coming back from my office half an hour than usual, I was aware of a small figure in the dining room. And next day, when the British man came there, he saw that boy that he was playing in the dining room. And he was unaware about Britishers or Sahibs coming, and so looking him suddenly there, he was shocked. He sat down on the ground with a gasp. बच्चे ने जैसे अचानक जो ब्रिटिशर्स जो है अगले दिन डाइनिंग रूम में बॉल से खेल रहा था, जो ब्रिटिश अधिकारी वो सडनली वहां आ जाते हैं और बच्चा एकदम घबरा सा जाता है, सांस फूल जाती है। ओके, एंड देन जोर से चिल्लाता है, he made a louder cry, and hearing his cry, the son's cry, the khidmatgar, that one would be Imamdin, name of Imamdin khidmatgar, he reaches there, and the boy also takes the help of his father. He hides himself behind that his father, and then um, British officer addresses his father, Khidmatgar, to tell the boy Sahib is not angry. And then, looking this, Khidmatgar says to Britisher that Sahib, this is my son, and his name is Muhammadin, and he is a Badmash. And looking this, uh, hearing this expression of his father, the boy in, took the courage, and he addresses the Britishers that, sir, it is fact that my name is Muhammadin Taib, but I am not a Badmash, I am a man. And this answer was a pleasure giving for the Britishers and for everyone. एक छोटा सा बच्चा जब उसके पापा कहते हैं साहब मोहम्मदीन नाम है और ये बड़ा बदमाश है, बड़ा होकर के जेल चला जाएगा, ऐसा लगता है, इसी तरह करता है। तो छोटा बच्चा अपनी बात कहने के लिए धीरे से कहता है, सर मेरा नाम मोहम्मद, लेकिन मैं बदमाश नहीं हूँ। ये जो बात है वो सबको बड़े मन को छूती है। एंड देन उसके बाद में आफ्टर दैट डे the there was a acquaintance between that British man and that small boy. We will continue this story in next.